my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is HelloiimBeautiful, and today I invite you inside my kitchen. It is Taco Tuesday, and today we are going to make chicken tacos. Every Tuesday, a new taco will be dropping, okay? Stay tuned for that. In this video, I will show you how I marinate my chicken, how I prep it and cook it. Remember that this is my kitchen, this is my recipe, and this is my way how I make it. You don't have to follow every step by step, because at the end of the day, you are the one eating it, not me. So I'm just showing you the foundation and just twist it your way. So let's get right into it. First, let me show you how I marinate my chicken. First things first, I put on my gloves, only because I don't want you to see my ugly ass nails, but mostly because I'm going to work in the seasonings and the juices and everything all into the chicken. You are going to need first things first, you're gonna need chicken. We are going to need about 1 pound to 2 pounds of chicken. Then I have 2 oranges. I have 2 limes. I may only use 1. I use a purple onion. However, this is the only onion that I have because I was unprepared when I went to the grocery store. So we are going to save this piece of onion for my salsas. So instead, we're just going to use a regular white onion. It works the same. You know, so we're gonna use that. 1 Roma tomato and just a bunch of cilantro, fresh washed cilantro. So we're gonna use that. That's our fresh ingredients. Then we are going to get into our spices and herbs. Listen, there's more to life than just salt and pepper.
As I mentioned before, it is your kitchen, your rules, so you put your own twist to it. But if you want flavorful chicken, then I would recommend to get these seasonings and herbs. I promise you, more sazon, the better.
We're going to cut our fresh ingredients first.
So this tomato was a little too ripe for my liking, but we don't want to throw it away. So we're just going to use it for our marinade. Everything else is self-explanatory. You just chop your veggies however you like it. This is how I do mine. Doesn't really matter because it's just going to be added into the marinade. So I know you heard this before, but sadly, I do not measure. I suck at it. I just know how to eyeball it. So I know how much I need to add into my marinade. Now for you, you can start little by little, and then you want to add more, then add more. If you don't want to add that much, then don't. Just remember, majority of the seasonings and herbs that I use obviously do not contain sodium. The 3 seasonings that do contain sodium are garlic salt, seasoning complete, and the blackened seasoning. So do be mindful of that. After you season your chicken, you're going to add your fresh ingredients, incorporate it all together. You're going to set it aside for at the very least 2 hours. If you have more time, even better. But you want to let it marinate so that it can soak up all the juices and the sazon. And I promise you, this chicken is going to be it.
While I have my chicken marinating, I'm going to make myself a drink. Am I a bartender or mixologist? No, I am not. Do I like to partake? Absolutely. So I'm going to make myself a watermelon cucumber refresher. So we are going to need, obviously, fresh watermelon. We have FN cucumber vodka. We have Ciroc watermelon. We have ginger ale, simple syrup, my jigger, muddler. We have 1 lime, our shaker, and our Lucas Chamoy for the rim, and then obviously our beautiful glass. I'm going to start by cutting our watermelon. It's a little beat up. It's all right because we are going to muddle it. So grab your cup, put it in here, and start muddling. everything is made with love. Love and patience. And I promise you, it's gonna taste so, so good. We're gonna start with adding ice. The watermelon Ciroc. One. Then we're gonna add 1 ounce of the cucumber Ciroc. We add our simple syrup. We're going to do 1/2 ounce. 2.5 ounces of the watermelon. Squeeze a little bit of lime in there, just a little bit. And you just want to give it a good shake. Okay, it's nice and frothy. Next up, we're going to assemble our cup. First things first, we're going to dip it into our chamoy. I don't have any rim dip, so y'all wanna send me some, y'all more than welcome to. And then we're gonna dip it into our watermelon Lucas. Let's give it a little twirl. Fill her up. Perfect pour. Top it off with your ginger ale, Sprite, 7-Up, club soda, whatever it is. Give it a little fizz. Bam.
I hope you do give this a try, and if you do, make sure to tag me. Let me know in the comments below if you would love to see more drink recipes, alcoholic or non-alcoholic.
Give it a taste. Oh yeah, this is it. Very refreshing. You don't taste the alcohol. It tastes like watermelon. All right, let's get back, and it's time to cook the chicken.
I did not project for it to take all day and take me into the night. Let's appreciate this video by giving me a thumbs up.
So because I am my own production, my director, I am the cast, I am the editor, and I am everything in this show. And you know what? I didn't plan on doing this right now, but we're gonna grill right now. I'm gonna get some light going and put the chicken to cook so we can get this video wrapped up, okay? Because it is a lightning show out here. So I started to preheat my grill, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with an onion.
So I allowed my chicken to marinate for about 6 hours. I then took it out the fridge, let it sit for 30 minutes so it won't be too cold when I put it on the grill. But look at this beauty. Yo, this gives me like El Pollo Loco vibes or something, but even better.
I'm back in my kitchen. I made it down safely without getting struck. Telling you, it kept getting closer and closer. So I'm glad that the chicken cooked pretty fast. And it smells so good. I just can't wait to get into this. Like, just the grilled and the charred and then the flavors, spices and herbs. So everything is bomb. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna be extra and use my meat cleaver.
So I wanted to be extra and add a roasted jalapeno into my taco. I made sure to peel the outer skin and deveined it. But if you want it spicy, just keep the seeds. After I removed the outer skin, I added my choice of cheese. I opted for pepper jack cheese, pero like you can choose whatever. Time to assemble our taco. Grab your choice of tortilla. For me, when it's not homemade, my go-to is yellow corn tortillas by Mission. There are no rules on how to assemble a taco, but you better not be stingy with the meat. Top it off with your choice of salsas. Don't worry, I will be dropping the video on how I made these.
Pouring down rain. It's crazy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Cheers.
Production is still working on presentation, but the recipe is a masterpiece. And to be honest, I don't know why I'm sharing this recipe, because my grandpa said, un buen cocinero nunca revela su secreto. But I want to share the love. Make sure to tag me when you do try this recipe because I am trying to see the little twist you put into your tacos. Share the love with me by liking this video and subscribing.